Hi everyone, I'm Pawan Kamath, founder at Panto AI. At Panto AI, we are building a vibe debugging platform which helps mobile QA automation teams to automate mobile workflows better and faster. With vibe coding becoming a norm, we see a lot less time taken to build new features, but the sprint cycle for testing still remains to be of 2 weeks. It comes with major issues. Whenever we have a new feature that has to be released, it has to be tested on Android, iOS, different versions of Android. And if this is not done, we often see either the older features breaking on different kinds of OSs and their versions or different kinds of devices, or the newer features which are released not work identically beyond the tested set of devices. And we solved this exact problem by targeting three specific areas. First, we have eased out on the way the APM scripts can be generated. The second, we have eased out on the way it can be run on multiple device farms. And third, Panto is a completely no code, low code platform. Without writing a single line of script, you can completely maintain this test cases all by itself. So let's quickly actually hop on to a quick demo and see how exactly we are solving this problem. On screen, you are seeing a Dhan app being opened, and let's automate a mobile workflow of maybe searching for a stock. I'll just click on stocks category on the main home screen. So there are two ways in which we can capture the intent. One is by clicking on the real screen, and second is by prompting it. Yeah, so you can see the session ID has been recorded and the click has been recorded. The second way is by prompting it. So I'll just say search for Asian paints as a stock. We support all kinds of application, whatever may be the backend. It can be an hybrid SDK, it can be a web app. All of them are supported. We also provide you integrations with GitHub Action and GitLab Action in case you have a PR release that you can associate it with Panto. As soon as you are having a build release, Panto loads your APK into multiple devices across OS versions, tests your user flow, and then provides you a detailed report on where it worked, where it did not work, where did the buttons were missed, where the was the keyboard overlapping the buttons, and which kind of device, what were the crash logs, and every minute detail for every devices. So let's assume this to be a simple test case. I just clicked on generate test script, and you can see the code being generated for both Appium and Maestro. I'll just click on Appium. Yeah, so I can see very readable Appium script being generated here. I just save it as Dhan app. I'll save it. I'll go to test flows. I'll just sort it by last created. I can see the code here. I can see a quick snapshot video as well of what exactly happened. Yeah. Then I'll click on run. I can select any of the application. I can select an environment. I can select the OS version, and then I can select a device where I would want to run it, or can select multiple of them as well. I do not have a debug builder, so I'll just click on run locally. So we also provide you a facility where you can, after generating the test case, you can test the app locally and see if it is working as per your needs. So I'll just click on run test. Each of the test flows, like the way you created right now, right? We can build multiple of these test flows and then combine it with our orchestrator flow and then run an end-to-end regression also. I'll just hop on and show that as well. Yeah, so the clicks have been started. Yeah, so you can see the execution is complete. When you run it on a real device, you also see detailed test reports. Yeah, you get the detailed video of what happened on the video on the real device. You can also get view code. You can get the logs for them individually. This is the orchestrator. You can just click on create test suite. You can combine different test flows of the same application and run a regression either via here or your GitLab action as well. So this was a quick demo about how we can automate mobile QA with ease on the app. Thank you so much.